Okay, this question is about factoring. So we are looking for what two factors were multiplied together to make x squared minus 7x plus 10. So if you recall, we looked at which numbers were multiplied to give us 10, and we made a list. So all the number pairs that multiply to 10, so either 1 times 10 or 2 times 5. So we only have two options here, but we want to choose the option that is going to add or subtract to make this negative 7. So here, if we add 1 and 10, we would get 9. If we subtracted them, we would get negative 9 or positive 9, depending on which direction we went with the subtraction. So either positive 11 if we add them, if we subtract them, it could be 10 minus 1, which is negative 9, or 1 minus 10, which is negative 9, or 10 minus 1, which is 9. Either way, we're not getting a 7. Here, if we add them, 2 plus 5, we're going to get positive 7. Not what we're looking for. If we do 2 minus 5, we're going to get negative 3. If we do 5 minus 2, we're going to get 3. If we do negative 2 minus 5, we'll get negative 7. That's what we're looking for. Negative 2 minus 5 equals negative 7. Let me clean that up. So negative 2 minus 5 is how we get our negative 7. So we know the two factors we're going to put in our parentheses are this negative 2 and this negative 5. So I'm going to start my parentheses here, and I'm going to put a minus 2 in one parenthesis, and I'm going to put the minus 5 in the other parenthesis, and then we have to look at what we have here. We have x squared. Well, x squared is just x times x. So that makes that easy. We put one x in this parenthesis and one x in this parenthesis. So the answer of what are the two factors that were multiplied to get x squared minus 7x plus 10 is x minus 2 times x minus 5. And if you want to check that, you can do that by the distribution, right? We can do the x times x, we can do x times negative 5, we can do negative 2 times x, negative 2 times negative 5. So you can actually use either strategy, factoring what's along the left-hand side, or you can multiply what's across the top of the table, and you're looking to match this one in standard form with one of the ones that's in factored form. Two of them cannot be factored. So I would use process of elimination to figure out which two can't be factored, and you should be able to multiply the other three to get your answers.